Please open Google Chrome, type OmniReview in the search bar, and press Enter. The official OmniReview website will open on your screen. Now, log in to your OmniReview account. If you are a first-time user, please sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will see an API key on your dashboard. Please make a note of this key, as you will need it later for fetching reviews. You will also need the OmniReview Chrome extension. Click on Manage Extensions, open the Chrome Web Store, search for OmniReview, then download and install it. Finally, pin the extension to your browser for easy access. Now go to Upwork and open the Products or Services page. Navigate to the Reviews section. Also, open the OmniReview extension from the sidebar. Make sure you copy the API key from your OmniReview account and paste it into the extension's token field. Click on Start Review Collection and scroll down to the bottom of the Reviews section. Once the reviews are fetched, click Save to Server and wait for the notification confirming Successfully Saved Review. Once the success message appears, it means the review has been saved to your OmniReview account. Now go to your OmniReview account and open the All Reviews section. Select the Upwork platform and click Filter. This will display all Upwork reviews on your dashboard. You will see all the fetched reviews on your dashboard. This way, you can easily collect and manage Upwork reviews using OmniReview. Let's see how to create widgets. Click on Create Widgets, and it will redirect you to a window where you will see the option to create a widget for your website. Add a name to your widget. For example, let's name it Test Widget. Now go to the Review Source section. Select the platform from which you want to fetch reviews. Click on the Add button. You will see a live preview on the left side. You can change the review display pattern based on your preference. Available options include Gallery, Badge, Pop-up, and FOMO. As you select each pattern, you'll be able to see the changes side by side in real time. This live preview helps you decide which style works best for your website. Simply choose the pattern you like, and it will be applied instantly. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, go ahead and save your changes. After saving, click on My Widgets, where you'll be able to see the widget you've just created. Simply click on the Copy option, and the short code or complete HTML code will be copied automatically. This code contains the full widget setup and can be used anywhere, whether it's a WordPress website or a custom-coded website. In this case, we're using WordPress. So, open the post or page where you want to display the reviews, add an HTML block, paste the copied code into it, and save the page. Once that's done, you'll be able to see the reviews displayed live on your post or page. You can see the customer reviews displayed at the top of the page. If you would like, you have the option to change the position of the custom HTML block from the top to the bottom of the page. This decision is completely up to you and depends on where you feel the reviews will look best and provide the most value to your visitors. If you prefer the reviews to appear at the bottom, simply move the HTML block accordingly, and the reviews will automatically display there. Both placements are fully supported, so you can choose based on your design preference, content structure, and overall user experience. Please feel free to place the reviews wherever they align best with your website's layout and visual flow. That's it for this video. Please hit like and subscribe for more updates and helpful content. Thank you for watching.